Day 5 on Monhegan Island. I came back to a spot that I'd looked at before but never quite painted. It's a weathered rooftop, the harbor beyond it, the clothesline strung across the yard, and the wind, the ever-present wind. And the wind was real, steady 15 miles an hour, fighting me the whole way. Watercolor wants stillness. Wind gives you none of it. So you stop fussing and you go at it and hold it down with one hand and paint with the other. Funny thing, it's the clothesline that ended up carrying the painting. A few strips of color against all that green and gray, the one human note in the whole scene. 11 by 14 inches, painted right there in the wind. I'll post it on richardburkejones.com. Thank you so much for your interest.